Today we'll talk about how can you disable photos and videos updates notifications on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down, you click here on notification settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name, your child name album here. So then you come to next step here, you come here to photos and videos updates. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean photos and videos updates notification disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.